approach Shooters Hill and you know them place there. Yeah. Hill 60, Melbrook. Yeah man, plating people right up a road where the taxi I come from, a Shooters Hill, you carry go up a Shooters Hill. And we're up on the coastline out of Bull Bay, you know, them have a little road record going.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? 876 by birth as usual. Over by my right hand side of Donald Quarry High School. You know Donald Quarry the fast runner? Over there, so them name it half of him. Yes, it's the uniform there, the yellow and the khaki and the girl in the white blouse. Yeah man, Donald Quarry High School. You see me? Yeah man, my people. And as you can see, we just left Harborview roundabout, alright? And we actually are head to Bull Bay. Yeah, so we're out of the eastern side of the island, my people. And we are going to Bull Bay. You get what I say? Yeah, man. We're there. So what go on, my people. We not deal with. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. The weather is nice. Yo, right now, probably about 87 or 88 degrees right now. Now, telling the people, the weather turn up. Yeah, the temperature turn up. You see me? Yeah man, temperature turn up, people. Right now, as I say, we are head out to Bull Bay and you know what thing go? Make a little journey out there. So we first trip for the new year out there. You understand? Yeah. First trip out there, people. For the new year. So we are going there to see what go on and how the place look and what kind of improvement that go on the road and you get what I say? Yeah man. You see me? Go check it out and see how it look. It's a JUTC bus. You run go Bull Bay, downtown Kingston to Bull Bay. You see me? Yeah my people. And out of them places now we are approach Shooters Hill and you know them place there. Yeah. Hill 60, Melbrook. Yeah man, plating people right up a road where the taxi I come from, a Shooters Hill, you carry go up a Shooters Hill. And we're up on the coastline out of Bull Bay, you know, them have a little road record going. Yeah. We're up on the coastline, people. You can imagine when the road are done and you're there, so? Oh God man. Bull Bay people, them are going to graduate, you know? Yo, can you imagine they're right next to the water? The Caribbean Sea. You see me? Yeah man, them for just give a nice little sea wall where, you know? Yo, out here go nice people. Out here go nice. Me not telling you no lie. Out here go nice. Big man thing. But honestly, me think a full time now the work here, you know, look like it a go somewhere, you know, because me not like to know people. Of all the trips them and the journey them I make and come out here, me not telling you no lie. Me no know. Well, them have a bridge out here so still. Me see the bridge. And I mean them dump up here so well I guess the work can move still. But it's at snail's pace. Slow. You see me? Slow people. Me not telling you no lie. It's slow though. But I guess something not go on, you see it? You know, somebody we can explain really what take place out there so. One time I did do one video and the same thing me I said working at Muslim and there was somebody did that explain to me. I guess them did have some sort of experience or some sort of knowledge on the engineering company where I deal with it or something. But yo, me don't know your people, me just have to talk with me see ya, man, and it look like it now go nowhere. That move slow. You see me? But if somebody want to educate me on what really happen out here, why the work look like it now go nowhere, tell me what go on. See? Yeah, please tell me what go on. And me sure enough more people want to know what go on to. You see me? But on my left, they say it's a quarry. And whole heap of quarry they out here, so people. Whole heap of quarry. That's why I say the hillside looks so dynamite down and them little thing there, you know? Whole heap of quarry out here. And if you look out here always dusty, you know? And you look on the tree, them and the leaf, they have a whitish color look. You know? Them they look bright and green, you know? Like how trees normally look. Most of the plants them out there and the tree them out there, them have a dull look. Because dust cover them. Yeah. Dust cover them people. So that's why I tell you. So as I say, whole heap of quarry they out here. You understand? Out there so known for them thing there from a long time. The mining thing. And them little thing there. Yeah, be a heavy duty vehicle normally out here. That's why I feel the road them mash up so much out here. Cause a long time the road them bad out here, you know. Long time the road them bad out here, people. You see me? Yeah, long time. So I don't know. I don't know if we could have live out here. Nah, like with the dust and no, the bad road, I don't know. You see me? But I saw it set up. So it's set up, people. We just the panel could go slow right now. A bus in front of me. I don't know if it's a St. Thomas bus or if it's a yellow bus or if it's a bus just a guard the garage or something. I'm not sure. You see me? And as you know, when you traverse out there, so be a heavy duty vehicle always out there. Yeah. As I said, the big truck them where you carry the mall and the sand and the gravel always out there. Yeah. So them dump up the part of the road there. So I guess them a go and level it down, you know, compact it, press it out and thing. And then them a go, you know, tar it off so vehicle can drive over there so while them dump up here so too. Yeah. So I guess work a go on still. Maybe not as fast as how we would have loved it, but I guess work is going on. Yeah. Yeah, work a go on, people. Work a go on. But I don't know, people them were out here, like how you endure the dust? Or you just accept it now? You accept it because additional dust, this with the digging up on the railway, you know. Yeah. Additional dust, but just see a lady like she sell food right across there, so. You know, maybe the workman them might feed them little favorite spot that them go grab them food. You know it go at Jamaica. Yeah, and then they work and you know they pay with Friday come and you know that little style they go on. Yeah man, especially when you do construction, you know they normally take your food and and you know they have a little bill. Yeah. Have a little bill man, you know it go. So see, something that go on here so yeah, some farmer digging that go on here so yeah. So work can take place still. I look at them wet the road. Them are them not too long wet the road cars, you know. Yeah, you can see it so. People me thirsty. Me have water still, you know. I have water still. Thirsty, like today is a hot day. And you don't know me want to go to the natural sounds from the street, so the window wind down and thing, you know. So the heat inside. Yeah. Tell you now. Early afternoon, you know, my people. Early afternoon, so the sun's still way up in the sky. Yeah. Way up there. I try looking at the bus and see if I see a passenger, but can't situate it. Look empty still. A road that hitch up back on me, one little road swipe. Hitch up. Go on round man, you know if you stop. You have to go on. You should have stopped. You should have go on, continue. You saw the truck mount you long. And me don't know where you bore up a go. Especially as you work a go on. You know, if you take a little time, man. If you can drive fast, you drive fast, but only for traffic in front of you and then you think that you're bored on the place. Yeah, work a go on, you know. Side they clear and you know them are level it down and things. So it's a good look. A good look out here. Nah lie too, it's a good look. Another road swine there behind me are coming man. Backside him carry a bounce him drop in a patrol. Man tuck in cause a big truck here come. Him soon go round me man. Guys a road swine. Man that one day in front can go team up. Come round man. Come round. And then if you're not afraid. Yeah, I'm talking. Him talking back fast. At times even the big unit them take time. You can see round corner. That is a corner, boy, if you can see round it. And if them with the whole vehicle them drive the way they know man. Yeah. Yeah man, people them with the whole vehicle and the people them with bigger drive. Them drive suckers. A man who own him vehicle know the value and know how much him have to spend on them something there. If something for happen. You get me? So you now run certain ways, but them a man they don't know no. They don't know that. They don't know that at all. People, this is a Bull Bay bus. Downtown to Bull Bay. In the corner how does pass can carry go a Cane River. Yeah. You know Cane River? I think it's in a Taurus Riley and Conscience video was a simple thing of your blessing. Yeah, I think a Cane River them did there. So you can go look on it and see it. Come baby girl, cross the road. Across. School as them, you know. Give them a little blind, make them go on. Like how them wet the road still, you know, them wet the area. So now one heap of dust, like that. I mean enough dust still, but I like how them wet it. But the sun out in the people, so by the next hour, that's gonna look like it never did wet. I tell the sun hot out there. Big unit a pass through. Yeah man, by our time man, all of this dry like it never wet people. Cause I say early afternoon you know, the sun up in the sky, me I tell you. So it's a beer down from everywhere. You get me? Yeah man, I know what the hot. Probably all 90 degrees right now. I tell you now. Maybe it's all 90 something degrees, honestly. here. So to my right is a bridge that them a build across there. So like how we are going to wait to say no, we're not going to have to do that. We just going to take a bridge and shot go up in the hillside. You see me? Yeah. Mad. Yo, it looks spectacular, people. I swear. It look nice. Oh, but it look nice, people. I want to tell you that the bus at work. I see them pick up somebody. Yeah, the bus at work. So, people, right now we're basically on the border at St. Thomas. You see me? Yeah. So we are going to St. Thomas, and of course Bull Bay Stretch go over to St. Thomas. I said that now, all of my video them. You see me, see the sign there? Welcome to St. Thomas. I'm slow down so you can see it. And so one road sign in front of me too. Where am I going so far? But yeah, see the sign there. You see me? So we're there in St. Thomas right now, but still in the community of Bull Bay. Yeah, because Bull Bay go 11 miles. How far Bull Bay go? Because you know Bull Bay they have the 7 mile, they have 9 mile, they have 11 mile. You see me? Yeah. So a Bull Bay person tell me how far it gonna. Please and thanks. Let me know. Let me know. But yeah, still out here, people. Still in the Bull Bay area. You see me? Yeah, man. We are almost complete the whole, distance side community still. And I'm saying church come over in a St. Thomas. Yeah. Good old St. Thomas. And from when you see we are so you know say we are going to St. Thomas, right? But when you know say that is a different video. You see me? So yeah, you can look out for that. You see me? Yeah, people. And the first chat this from the year start. So you have to go to St. Thomas, you go see how they look. You see me? And make a one link or something too. You understand? Yeah. You don't know a thing go. See me can get all the fresh fruits and them little thing there. You get me? Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. Hey, one time I buy some mango from the people them out of White Horse. Somebody I buy from. White Horse is in a St. Thomas. And I tell them I never enjoy them. First of all, them did green. I never realize that the mango them green. I think say I write mango them myself. Because I pull up and say how much is the mango them? And what them say? I think them say $6 for $1,000 or $5 for $1,000. But she give me an extra one. They might give me an extra one. I say, yeah, man. When them bag up the mango them and everything and give me I realize they are green mango them, like turn mango. So I never put them down for right. And I don't really like that style because sometimes them pick them when them young, them not fit. I remember for things ripe, you have to pick it when it fit, Sometimes they pick them when they're young. So you know what happen? Even if them get ripe, them fresh. Them are going sour and it now going have the sweet taste in it and something. And I did East Indian mango people because my favorite mango them there, East Indian and Blackie. My favorite mango them there, you see me? Yeah, I like stringy too, but stringy you make juice with that, you see me? Yeah. So yeah, the people them give me mango and I tell you say, yo, it never did work out too good, you see me? Never work, I must get about 3 out of it. You see me? Yeah, it never did work good. But our good a joke. Back in Kingston area there, me buy 2 beanie mango, me buy for 7 bills the woman want to sell me for. And I buy it down and she take off bills. You want to sell the mango them small. You could have find Blackie mango bigger than them. East Indian mango people. And them sell me, she sell it for $3.50 a one. I say, I couldn't believe. Could not believe, you see me? Yeah. Watch a road swine there go up. OMC round the corner. Look how long him take for you all overtake the truck too. Why? You them parts ever overtaking OMC round there so. No, but yeah man people. So I like that little country chat them still, more time you get nice fruits and them little thing there from the country, Yeah man, fresh fruits and vegetable and good ground provision, you see me? Yeah. Alright, so this is 11 mile Bull Bay people, and feel like we're going to end the video right to say, Feel like we're going to end the video right to say, you get me? Yeah. And as me tell you now, we are going in St. Thomas. You know the thing go. Yeah. So me I look for go around that truck here. We are going to go up one nice piece of road around this so soon still. So me I look for go around that truck here shortly. And then continue upon my journey go out in St. Thomas way. You get what me I say? So bless upon yourself my people. I appreciate you know for chatting with me upon that journey here. We don't know 876 by birth. Make sure you say you wanna click like, make sure you say you wanna subscribe, make sure you say you wanna share the video, make sure you say you wanna comment, cause that's a whole little reasoning, alright? We don't know the thing set up my people. 876 by birth. And I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, all right? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, all right? And until our next video, stay safe.